Before making any adjustments, it is always recommended to disconnect the power to your cabinet. It is always best to clean your refrigerator or freezer when the product load in your cabinet is at its lowest level. To clean the interior and exterior of the cabinet, remove all product, shelving, and shelf clips and set aside. Open all doors and allow the cabinet to reach room temperature. Once the cabinet has reached room temperature, wash the inside-outside surfaces and shelving with a solution of warm water and baking soda, 3 tablespoons of baking soda to each quart of warm water. After washing all surfaces and shelving, wipe down with a damp cloth or sponge that has been soaked in clean water and wrung out thoroughly. Dry with a clean, soft cloth. Never use harsh detergents, cleaners, scouring powders, or chemicals when cleaning your model. Failure to dry the interior surfaces after cleaning may result in streaking or staining of the metal. Before installing the shelves, you should check and clean the condensate drain pan. If the drain pan appears to be full of water, that is an indication that the drain hole is blocked and should be cleared. The drain hole is located in the back corner of the section above the condensing unit. With a door in this section, the drain hole is exposed and easier to get to. With a drawer in this section, you either have to remove the drawer, which is a little harder to do, or remove the side louvered grill to access the drain hole. Unscrew the side louvered grill and set aside. Pull down on the clear drain hose and Burma gum surrounding the drain hole to remove. Before clearing the obstruction, you will want to have something nearby to catch any water that may drain from the pan. Using a straw or similar size item, push through the hole to drain and clear the obstruction. Reattach the clear hose and press the Burma gum around the hose to seal. Reattach the side louvered grill. The shelves are easily reinstalled by inserting the shelf clips at the desired shelf height into the pilaster strips already secured to the cabinet walls, and then simply placing the shelf on the clips. This would be a good time to check and tighten any loose components, such as door drawer handles and hinge screws. Be sure the hinges are working properly and the door closes by itself. The door gasket seal is very important. If the gasket is not sealing properly, it will cause excessive condensation as well as air leaks and temperature issues. It is good to clean and inspect the gaskets often. Use a warm soapy solution and cloth or a soft bristle brush, making sure you dry all surfaces after cleaning. Inspect the gasket for any tears or damage, and if replacements are needed, contact the factory with the cabinet model and serial number found on the inside wall of the cabinet. Replacing the gasket requires no tools. Gently pull the gasket dart out of the retainer starting with the top corner. To reinstall the new gasket, push the dart into the retainer with your thumb and fingers. Pull lightly on the gasket to be sure the dart is set correctly into the retainer. The most important thing you can do to maintain any refrigerator and extend its life is to keep the condenser clean. Performance of the air-cooled condensing unit, located on the side of the cabinet, depends exclusively upon the amount of air passing through the condenser fins. Your refrigerator will run more efficiently, consume less energy, and provide a maximum of trouble-free service throughout its lifetime if the condenser coil is kept clean and an adequate supply of clean, cool air is provided at all times. Periodically, at least once a month, it is important to inspect the condenser coil for any debris or blockage that may have accumulated. Use a soft bristle brush in a downward motion to wipe away any debris from the condenser fins. A shop vac or compressed air may also be used. In some severe or greasy conditions, a chemical degreaser may be needed, but you must place something under the cabinet to catch the liquid. Be sure to flush the condenser coil and areas with clean water to remove any excess chemical cleaner. It is also important if anything is sprayed into the condenser area, nothing comes in contact with any electrical components. Also, check the condenser coil for any paper or dirt before calling for warranty service, as preventative maintenance is not considered a warranty-covered item. Never install a condenser filter on the condenser coil, as this will hinder airflow and may affect your warranty. It is also good to inspect the stem casters or legs to be sure they are tight and flush with the bottom of the cabinet, as they may loosen when moving the cabinet from one location to another. No portion of the stem should be visible. Remove the rear condensing unit cover with a nut driver. Inspect the evaporator drain pan for any debris or dirt as well as the drain hose. Check all components to be sure they are secured properly and nothing seems loose. Once inspection is complete, reattach the rear condensing unit cover and restore power to the cabinet. Continental Refrigerator warrants to the original purchaser of every new cabinet a 3-year parts and labor warranty with an additional 2-year compressor warranty from the date of installation. The warranty does not include adjustments, calibrations, gaskets, light bulbs, or anything related to preventative maintenance. This warranty also does not cover improper operation resulting from negligent cleaning and maintenance, low or high voltage conditions, inadequate wiring, and also does not cover product loss. When considering a Continental Refrigerator unit, please contact the factory or visit our website at www.continentalrefrigerator.com for current product information, as our product specifications are subject to change without notice.